Frisco is the first to adapt a new technology to expand a hike and bike trail in northern Frisco, and residents are looking forward to it being finished.
They're excited about it. It's new material, it's new bridges, it's better connections.
Work on the Dominion Hike and Bike Trail is more than 50% complete.
We have just poured and finished section A of the trail, and now they're over there doing B and C.
When it's finished, the trail will connect Preston and Hillcrest roads between El Dorado and Panther Creek parkways.
I think the bridges are a big component.
Panther Creek separates 3 neighborhoods. This trail will connect them, thanks to the bridges.
The bridges will be connecting all the trails together, and it will allow pedestrians to be able to basically utilize the 1.5 mile trail.
They're called Wagner bridges, and Frisco is the first in the United States to incorporate them into a hike and bike trail.
They're a new technology. The supporting systems are made of steel, but the decking system is a composite material with a no-slip material on top.
Maintenance is minimal and will last for decades, but the best part of the project is what it will bring to residents.
Connectivity to get to the rest of Frisco, to be able to get out and walk.
Voter-approved bonds are paying for the $6 million project. The Dominion Hike and Bike Trail is expected to be complete by the end of the year. To learn about Frisco's hike and bike trails presented by Children's Health, go to friscotexas.gov/trails.